Hi everyone. Let us start with algebra exercise 3.2 and question number 5. Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial. What do you mean by zeros of the polynomial? It is nothing but if suppose this is a zero of the polynomial means if you substitute this value of x in this polynomial then your p of x will become 0. If suppose this happens, then this value is the zero of the polynomial. Okay. Okay. So let us check in our given question. They have asked to check only whether it is a zero of the polynomial. So let us start our solution. In this first question, nothing but you have to put the p of the given value 1 by 2. P of 1 by 2 is equal to, instead of x, you put as 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1. So if you could see here, 2 into 1 by 2 means this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2. So that will be 1 minus 1 and that is equal to 0. So our P of 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So the polynomial has a 0 at x is equal to y by 2, which means this curve cuts the x at 1 by 2. So that's why they say as the 0 of the polynomial. So don't confuse but just check whether if you put this value in the polynomial you get a 0. If you get a 0 then that value is called the 0 of the polynomial. Say here since you got p of 1 by 2 is equal to 0, yes. They have asked indicate them or not. So here you can write yes, x is equal to 1 by 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. Let's move on to the next question. So in this question, p of x is equal to x cubed minus 1. And they have given whether x is equal to 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. We have to check that. So let us check that. Let us start our solution. So in this, we have to put, instead of p of x, put the value as 1. So p of 1 is equal to 1 cube minus 1. So that will be equal to 1 minus 1. That is the 0. So you have got p of 1, which is the value of x is equal to 0. Therefore, we arrive at a conclusion x is equal to 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. So you can write yes, x is equal to 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. If you don't get a 0 here, you can put not equal to 0 and x is not a 0 of the polynomial. Let us check whether the other two questions we are getting it a 0 or not. Okay, let's move on to the next question. So here we have got p of x is equal to ax plus b and your 0 we have to check is x is equal to minus b by a. So let us start our solution. P is equal to, instead of x we put p of minus b by a. In the same way here also you put a into, instead of x put it as minus b by a. Okay, plus b. And here if you could see you can cancel this a and a. So what is left out? The left out is minus b and a plus b. So you can write minus b plus b. Again you can cancel this 2 out. This will become a yes, 0. So again we have got p of minus b by a is equal to 0. So this value is the 0 of the polynomial. So you can write yes for this question also. All the three questions are the zeros of the polynomial. So let's move on to the final question. So in this question, we have got two parts, x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 3. So first let us check this x is equal to 4 condition, whether it is a 0 of the polynomial or not. So for that, we have to put p of x is equal to 4 means p of 4. P of 4 is equal to 4 plus 3 and 4 minus 4. What I have done is instead of x I have put here 4. Okay. So now this will be 7. 4 plus 3 is 7, right? Into this simplifies a hidden into here. So 7 into 4 minus 4 is 0. So this will become a 7 into 0 is 0. So your P of 4 is equal to a 0. So x is equal to 4. Yes, it is a 0 of the polynomial. So you have to move on to the next part. Next part is we have to check for x is equal to minus 3. So let us check that. For that, you have to put p of minus 3. Okay. So let us check that at p of minus 3, what I will get. We have to put x value as minus 3. So that will be minus 3 and put that plus 3 as such. And then for x put minus 3 and minus 4. So now what happens is 3 minus 3 is a 0 and minus 3 into into minus 3 and minus 4 is a minus 7. 0 into anything is a 0. So what you have got is p of minus 3 is also equal to 0. So our conclusion is both x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 3 are the zeros of this polynomial. So all the questions our answer is the given zero values are the zeros of the polynomial. So hope you understood this. Whenever you are asked to verify, just substitute in the value of x and check it carefully. Okay. Hope you understood this question. I will give a clear note of this in the next slide. Thanks for watching.